Wolves, didn't see you there. Well, I do, however, have a fun little activity that I'm going to teach you called the underhand target toss. All right? Before I review the rules of the game, however, I want to review the correct steps for an underhand throw. Okay? So, you can find any 3 balls you have at your house. It doesn't matter if they are the exact same or they are 3 different. Okay? I just want you 3 similar size balls for this game. You want to have them so that they can fit in one hand. You don't want to use like a giant basketball for this. Okay? So, when performing the underhand throw, remember, you are going to hold your arm out with your throwing arm. You're going to throw it out, hold it out, say tick. Bring it straight back, say top. Step with your opposite foot step, and rock. All right? So, that's what I want you focusing on, is making sure you're going through all 4 of those steps correctly, and try bringing your arm straight back. So bring it sideways. You'll end up following through across your body. All right? So, once you have located 3 balls for this game, so I'm going to be using tennis balls, you are going to then want to set up either a table, or you could use like an ottoman or a chair, whatever you have at home, okay? I want you to be creative with this. Now, I have my table set up. These foam pins, you can pretend they are 3 toilet paper rolls maybe stacked up, 2 paper towel rolls stacked up, and then these are clearly 2 water bottles, and then I made a pyramid of 6 little plastic solo cups. Whatever you have at home, make it work best for you, all right? It doesn't need to look exactly like mine, okay? It most likely won't. You just need 3 different targets that have more than 1 item to hit so you have a higher success rate, okay? Then you're going to want to measure out 3 different distances. So, I walked it out. I walked out 10 steps. 10 feet away, I have a pool noodle as my first throwing spot. My second throwing spot is 15 feet away, which is a hockey stick. And then my third throwing location is from 3 different polydots, which you could put out like paper plates or whatever. I just use different things to give you guys different ideas. You can have all your lines can look the exact same. Okay? So you are gonna. It's gonna be like another video game type of game. You're gonna start at level 1. You are gonna underhand throw from level 1 and try to knock down 1 of the items at a time. Okay? So if you're aiming at the paper towel rolls, if you just knock down 1, that counts. Okay? You don't have to knock down the whole thing for this run. If you want to make it more advanced after you're done, feel free. Then, after you knock down the paper towel rolls, you move on to the water bottles. Aim for the water bottles. Once you knock down at least 1 of the water bottles, then you can go to the cups. Again, you don't need to knock down all the cups, you just need to knock down at least 1 item. Okay? Then, you may move on to the next line. After you move on to the next line, same thing happens, okay? And you get to rebuild in between rounds. Alright? So, once again, you get 3 balls, 3 turns at each of the items. Alright? You must knock down 1 item per target, I should call it, per target, in order to graduate or advance to the next level. Got it? Alright. But you must ask permission before you get out any of your materials at home. I don't want anyone playing this game on their nice dining room table. Okay? Please do this in a safe location, preferably with a backstop, so then you're not just chasing the ball all the time. Now, I will give you a quick demo of level 1. Notice I had to switch the paper towel rolls and bottles because the bottles just fall down every time something makes contact. Here we go, level 1. Tick, tock, step, and rock. Tick, tock, step, and rock. Tick, tock, step, and rock. Okay, so each level. So I get to rebuild, and then I get to move back to level 2. All right? After I knock down one item from each target from level 2, then I go to level 3. Okay? Be creative with this. Hope you guys enjoy it. I will keep coming up with different target games, and I have some surprises along the way. All right? Hope you enjoy it. Make sure you ask permission before you use anything, especially inside the house. Stay active, stay healthy. Take care, Wolves.